How to download TD Bank statement. For this, go ahead and open a browser and search for www.td.com. Once you type in this, you will land here in this web page. So go ahead and tap on Login and select the option of Easy Web. Once you tap on it, now you have to go ahead and log into your TD Bank account first and foremost, so wait for it to load. So you can log into your TD Bank by adding your username or your access card and a password, then tap on Login. Tap on Forgot your username or password if you have forgotten any of your credentials. Next, once you land in your home page, at the top of your dashboard, you will see the option of My Accounts. You simply have to go ahead and tap on My Account. Then it will display all of your activities right there. So go ahead and select the statement that you want to download. Then tap on the export icon, which will be present at the top of your screen. Once you tap on export, you can filter it by choosing the date and day as well. Then make sure you export your file in the format of CSV file, which will be displayed in the option. Just go ahead and select CSV file, then tap on download. And just like that, you'll be able to download your TD Bank statement. Isn't it simple? So go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for watching.